In this video, we are going to talk about how to do niche research for your Amazon affiliate site. And this is the base of everything. So let's dive in. Hi, my name is Ankit and welcome to Magazine 3 YouTube channel where we talk about everything related to WordPress. And if you want to learn more about that, then make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. So when we are creating Amazon affiliate site in form of an e-commerce or maybe in form of a blog, then the first thing we need to do is to select our niche or the category of products that we wish to write content around or that we wish to promote using our content marketing. So how do you do the niche research? So before selecting any niche or category for your Amazon affiliate site, you can divide the criteria into 2 points. Number 1, is this a category or niche which people are searching for? If you type any keyword related to that niche or related to the products of that niche, do you find websites where products are listed, or maybe you find content related to that category? So once you do any keyword search, do you find some content around that product or not? And if you find some Amazon affiliate site for your keyword, then it means that there are other people who are working on that same category, and which is not a bad thing. It's good to have competition. And point number 2 is that you should ask yourself, is this a category which you want to write content on? Is it a category which you are passionate about, or is it a category which you have a personal experience in? Or if it is a category which you can at least hire writers to write content for you. So the basic point of selecting any niche is that you should feel passionate about that category or that niche so that at least you don't get bored after creating 50 or 100 posts in that website. So my personal way of selecting niche for an Amazon affiliate website, I start with the problem, which means I look around myself and see what are the problems that I am facing and what I am searching online to solve those problems. For example, right now, in order to record this video, I have done a lot of research in buying this mic or maybe this webcam or maybe this PC which is sitting right here. So all of that came after a lot of search, after reading a lot of reviews or watching a lot of videos on YouTube. And all that is actually related to my interest. So I can do a lot of reading and writing on the products which I am currently using. And all these products are available on Amazon as well. So maybe you can create a website which is totally based on video production equipments. And trust me, there are a lot of popular blogs and YouTube channels which are only concentrating on the video production. So when you are trying to find your niche, just concentrate on what are the daily things that you search for, or what are the problems that you daily face and you wish could be solved by some blog or maybe some website. So if you are able to find that category, this could be a perfect niche for you. Other than that, if there is something that you are very passionate about, like you might be passionate about bike accessories or car accessories, and you know ins and outs of all these accessories for these bikes and cars, then go ahead and create a niche website on that as well, because there are a lot of products that are available on Amazon in this category. Other than that, there might be various categories that you are not passionate about, but you still have a little bit of interest in that, and in order to write content, you can hire some writers. But of course, for that you need to spend some money and you should have a budget of that. Along with that, you can do some reverse engineering as well. You can go ahead and check websites like Flippa.com where people sell their niche blogs and website, and there you can find out what are the kind of websites people are creating, and that could give you a good idea about the niche that you can work on. Along with that, you can also check the best seller section of Amazon website, and there you might find various products. But with that procedure, you might not find a product which you can use to create more than 100 blog posts. So you might need to think about a category and then create the niche site around it. So make sure you try to find a category, not exactly a product. So this is my approach of doing niche research. I just ask simple questions to myself. Am I passionate about this category, or will I be able to at least interested in this category so that I can write at least 50 to 100 blog posts? Or at least I can hire someone to do the job of writing and I'll be able to do the SEO for that. And all that is drilled down to your interest in that category. Because when it comes to side hustle, it's all based on your interest and your passion. If you like this video, then make sure you hit the like button, and to watch more videos like this, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. And if you need any expert help regarding your website, you can connect with us using the link given in the video description below. So that's it for this one, and I'll see you in the next video.